Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Maybe
I
you
see
will,
the
maybe you
appeal of
won't.
Kaiji.
But
Okay,
yeah.
Kaiji firstly makes
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
neats feel like they can do something in life. Okay,
Oh
and I
yeah,
say
you were
that as a
telling me
neat.
about this.
Okay, they call out these weebs and these neats, and we
Gru
fit the
is
bill.
coming out of the closet as a NEET
Yeah, we fit the bill
today. This
perfectly. Okay,
important episode.
you feel like
Mm-hmm.
shit reading it because you realize you're doing nothing with your life, and
Mm-hmm.
it especially makes sense in Japan because Kaiji is so famous there. It makes sense there because
Yeah.
firstly he shits on the Japanese average worker's life like crazy. Okay, he's like, is this
Oh,
really
he
all your
does.
existence
Yeah.
is about? Is it just going to
Yeah.
an office and sitting? So that's like one thing which immediately connects to people. And the second thing is they like pachinko machines are like a dime a dozen in Japan. So it's like a
And it's
very,
actually a problem. It's a real problem in Japan,
yeah,
the pachinko addiction. Like the government has tried very
Gambling.
hard to stop it.
yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
it's like a
Do
very
you know,
normal thing
like,
which people like to do in Japan. It gives them the illusion of getting somewhere in life which they can't reach through their normal day-to-day jobs.
yeah.
So that way I can
Do you
definitely see the
know,
appeal.
in Japan, like, so they've made it illegal to get money from pachinko, so you know what they do? You get, you collect balls, right? And that's how
Yeah,
you make money because there's a price
yeah.
per ball. So what they've done to work around it, you get a ticket or like a coupon or ticket kind of thing from the pachinko place, which
Mm-hmm.
says the amount of balls you have, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Or the money. And then you go across the road to another shop and give the
Hey.
coupon and they give you the money because it's illegal for pachinko places to give money.
Ah,
They
see.
figure out workaround around it. That's people are still addicted to it. They still, it's like gambling. You're in there. You're doing it for days. If you're addicted, you waste your
Yeah.
lives away. Similarly, a lot of people do that. Hmm.
Yeah, but that's another thing with Kaiji is
It's,
that it makes it, since see, like with stuff like most manga, if you have Death Note, if you have Code Geass, even if you take something like Naruto and all that, all these characters are like special. They're like geniuses. They're the sons of these people. They're like blessed by birth itself and all that. While Kaiji is just like this ordinary bum who's sitting around doing nothing. And there's
yeah,
nothing
yeah,
special about him.
basically.
There's nothing interesting about him. He's just a bum. And if you're
Mm-hmm.
a bum like
Yeah,
me, you'll be like, maybe I can do something with life with gambling. Now, I'm not saying it's promoting gambling per se, because it definitely shows the bad effects of gambling more than the good ever. But
yes,
it's
yes.
it explains the
But
human
yeah.
tendency to
No,
want to gamble very well.
definitely. To want to gamble. Yeah, that is true. It does not
We
promote
got that
gambling
right.
at
Yeah.
all. Yeah, it does not promote.
That
Yeah,
that
it
idea
shows you how
of one
fucked up
more
you'll get.
chance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just one more chance. I will do it. Yes, totally.
and the problem with Kaiji is kind of like the problem. I mean, this is just an example I'm giving. Don't take it as a literal comparison. But it's like Game of Thrones. The number of deaths that happen in Game of Thrones. At one point, you're just like, million people died. Don't care. I don't. It's a normal thing.
Whatever.
So
Yeah, yeah,
so Kaiji
exactly.
becomes like that because the stakes go up so quickly and they go up so high. You're like, 100 million, yeah, whatever, dude. But in reality, if I got 100 million anything right now, I'd be like, this camera
I
would just
know,
poof
right?
into a 4K camera. This laptop would poof into a proper full-fledged 3080 desktop right now. So, I mean, it makes you feel like it's a small amount of money because the stakes are just keep rising so quickly, but it's actually a huge amount of money. That's the only exciting part of it, I think. And of course, Kaiji trying to do everything in his power to tilt the odds in his favor. But one thing I dislike about Kaiji is that from the start till the end, both Kaiji and his opponents only win by cheating. Nobody actually gambles properly. Everything is cheating.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
yeah.
yeah, because they can, right? Because there are no rules. So
No,
they're
but
like,
here's the thing.
we can cheat.
Here's the thing. There is a character who seems to be extremely proud about the fact that he never has to cheat because he's such a good gambler, because luck's on his side. He feels the thrill of gambling irrespective of the money he has. The thrill of destroying a person completely. And he loses to Kaiji at not even like fully. He's like loses like 50% of his total amount that he can bet. And if he wins in one go, Kaiji is literally going to die because these guys just bet with
Yeah.
lives. And he's like, I cheat. And Kaiji realizes and he's like, I thought you wouldn't cheat. You literally haven't cheated all this while. We've done so much. You've been like he's been with this guy for a while. and he's played like different games with him and stuff, and he's never cheated. And this guy's like, what? You never did anything so far. Why would you do this now? And I don't understand why they changed the character like that. I'm not going to talk about who the character is because it's a spoiler, but I don't understand why they would do that, because finally, and for once, after 5 different parts, 5 different seasons or arcs, as you might call it, for Kaiji, you got one arc where they're going to be playing a fair game, and then they screw it up by making them cheat. Both of them cheat, and it's just sad. There is still
But
the
will a
gambling
fair
element
game
of it.
even
But
be
they're still going
will a
to
fair
cheat.
game even be interesting at the end of the day?
the cheating doesn't make it more
I mean, it is
interesting.
just
The
the
stakes
game.
are what make it interesting.
Hmm.
Like
Yeah, the
I care
stakes
more
are what
about.
makes
But see,
it
that's the
interesting.
thing, right? If it's just the game alone, then they have to just pad it out by just using those stretching techniques that they were doing for like 5 chapters straight. It's just going to be that only.
They're
then.
doing that
Like-
even with the
like,
cheating. Is
Much
my
of
point.
the action came from the preparation.
No, I'm saying
Huh?
they're doing that even with the cheating. So I don't see why there was a difference. The cheating didn't add much.
Yeah,
to
they
the
were
story.
doing
The
that
story.
Story with the
anyway.
cheating. My point exactly, right? Like it's just that then, and it's going to be even worse.
No, but I'm saying the
Than
cheating
what it is
didn't
already.
add anything.
No,
that they could
I
have
was
done
enjoying the
differently.
manga. Yeah, it didn't make. The thing is, I was enjoying the manga as far as I read, and even the iron beam part, even
Yeah.
though they were on the beam for like many chapters, they were on that beam standing and
What
balancing.
feels like years, yes.
But yeah, it was still interesting. Where even they were talking about like, I won't push you if you won't push me kind of thing, and
Yeah.
the guy behind is like, haha, I'm gonna push both of y'all because I don't care. I was like, well, didn't take that into
This is
consideration.
coming at some point, yeah.
Yeah, that's another thing. There's like
I
a
do like
constant
people.
battle between people in this, which is so Kaiji
Yeah,
represents the good of humanity, and everyone against him represents the worst of humanity. And the worst of humanity always believes that humans are inherently bad, and Kaiji believes humans are inherently
Yeah.
good. And it becomes at one whole arc is actually just about that. One guy is like, I will show you that humans are inherently bad, and Kaiji is like, I will show you humans are inherently good, and they both end up proving their points in different ways. But one interesting thing is that the 6th part, right? The 6th part of Kaiji. Spoilers for those of you who don't
How
want to hear
many
it.
parts are there? The
6.
last
6.
part or the
The current ongoing part is
6?
6.
Okay.
So, what happens is, I'm not going to spoil it too much. I'll just give you a basic plot. There
Yeah,
is no
because
more.
people will still watch it, so let them read it.
Yeah. There is like no more gambling happening in part 6. It changes
Okay, I see.
structure in a lot of ways. So in part 5, Kaiji basically gets a lot of money with the help of 2 guys, and they are running away from these from the mafia guys, Tei or whatever the name of the gambling this thing is, or the money
Tei.
lenders here. So they're running away from them because they believe that they stole the money while they actually won it fair and square. And these guys are basically escaping from them using different methods. So that's what part 6 is all
see.
about. And at one point it becomes like this it almost changes into this comedy manga type of thing with like really weird comedy elements. Like, so in one thing, right, they have like this bag full of money and they're trying to hide it.
Yeah.
Okay, and these two guys who they make friends with to help them escape, they're like, yo, what do you have with that bag? And Kaiji's like, no, you can't see it. It's my personal stuff. And this guy's like, oh, you have
Yeah.
like porn mags in there, huh? And Kaiji's like, yes,
Prawn. He means
yes.
prawn. Sorry.
It is prawn mags. It is not anything else at all. It is
Yes.
prawn mags. And as a man, I want my privacy. And these guys try to open the bag, and Kaiji stops them. So he actually goes out, buys a lot of prawns, and he puts all the mags in the bag, in a similar bag, and lets them look at it. And this guy opens it and sees like he sees some title with a sheep on it, okay, and then he thinks he thinks it's like animal prawn. And,
Yes.
I see.
And
The
then
prawn
he
is
goes back, and his mother is like, this Kaiji took out our dog for a walk, and he's like, what? And then he runs behind him, and Kaiji's like playing with the dog,
See?
like, petting him and all that.
No.
He's like, stop molesting my dog, stop molesting my dog. And I was like, what the hell happened to this
Dude,
manga? We went from gambling to Kaiji molesting a dog. Like, what?
It reminds me of the thing you told me from Golden Kamuy with the guy and the bear.
Yeah, basically.
That you were
oh my
talking
God.
about.
Let's not even talk about Golden Kamuy and the guy with the